This is a Riverview room at Disney's Port Orleans French Quarter. Today we'll be staying in room 1231. This room is wheelchair accessible with a bathtub. So let's head on in and take a look. As we walk into our room here at Disney's Port Orleans French Quarter, immediately to your left is a table with 2 chairs available. When we checked in, they provided us with these Mardi Gras beads in the shape of a Mickey Mouse and a very nice note from our housekeeping team. Above the table is a full-size mirror. And then to the left, you have the window for your room. This window does look out onto the Sassagoula River. It has privacy shades for you that allow a little bit of light pass through, and it does also have blackout shades to completely block out sunlight. Underneath the window is where your heating and air conditioning unit is going to be. It is covered by this beautifully themed wooden cover, and then there is a little bit of a shelf here for you to use for storage or unpacking. Over by the front door here, you have a full-size body mirror, and then you have the light switch for the room right here. This light switch controls the light on the ceiling right above the table. A notable difference in the wheelchair accessible rooms at Disney's Port Orleans French Quarter is that in addition to your standard peephole and your standard deadbolt lock, you have another peephole a little bit lower for guests using mobility devices, and then you have a secondary deadbolt beneath the door handle, again, for guests in mobility devices. You have 2 queen beds in this room. Because this is a wheelchair accessible room, the beds are lower to the ground for an easier transfer. Each queen bed has a choice between 4 different pillows, and in between the bed you have a nightstand equipped with a Hey Disney device, an in-room phone, and then built into the back of the nightstand here are 2 120 outlets, a USB-C port, and a USB-A port. This nightstand also has a very nice cubby underneath for storing bags, and then drawer with a Bible. Above the nightstand are the light switches for each one of the lights above the bed. And then in the middle there, this top switch controls the light on the ceiling fan, and the bottom switch controls the actual fan itself. Across from the beds here, you have your TV and dresser space. Very nice 55-inch TV with the updated hotel-specific software on it. On top of the dresser itself, you have your coffee and beverage station. You have a 2-cup coffee maker here with your Joffrey's in-room coffee, Twining teas, sugar and sweetener, creamer for you. You have plastic water cups and paper coffee cups, an ice chest, lids, and this nice little tray. On either side of this dresser, you do have a set of 120 outlets and USB-A ports. This is a 3-drawer dresser. You can use this drawer for storage of clothes and whatnot. And then on the right here is a little cubby with a mini refrigerator. To the right of the dresser is this beautiful armoire. Inside the armoire, you do have a nice big closet space for tall items and small items. In the back there, you have an iron, storage space above, and then you do have an extra pillow and blanket available for you to use as well. And then tucked away, kind of behind the armoire, is where they store your ironing board in this room. Separating the bedroom from the bathroom is this sliding pocket door, which is very easy to move with just 2 fingers. In the bathroom itself, to the left is your toilet. The toilet comes with 2 extra rolls of toilet paper for you. They also have these grab handles for easy transfers from a chair or a mobility device. To the left is a small wastebasket, and then to the right is another wastebasket with a recycling can. You have a lit makeup mirror mounted a little bit lower. For those guests using mobility devices, it is easier access for you. And then across from the toilet is the in-room safe, keypad style safe with enough room to store 2 full-size laptops. The light switch for the bathroom, and then the switch for the fan. On the right side of the bathroom is your vanity and tub and shower. You have a 1-sink vanity in this bedroom, no storage underneath. This is designed specifically for guests using mobility devices to roll right on up. You have plenty of space for your mobility device underneath. Plenty of counter space Very shallow sink for you. To the left, you have a tissue box and two 120 volt outlets. To the right, you are equipped with Disney Resort sea salt body lotion and bath soap. Full-size mirror with lighting around the back. And then to the right of the sink, you have some storage cubbies. The bottom one there has your in-room hairdryer. Here you have your tub and shower combo. They provide you with a shower bath mat. You have controls for two different types of shower heads. You have your standard hotel room shower head, and then you have a handheld shower head. The shower head can be mounted either up top, and there is a little spot down here if you wanted to mount it here on the bottom. This nozzle here separates the water flow from the standard shower head to the handheld. There's your temperature control for the water. You have your bathtub spigot. Some grab bars for you in this shower for easy mobility. Wall-mounted Disney Resorts sea salt body wash, conditioner, and shampoo. And then you have two soap dishes in the front corner of the shower. Shower curtain in this bathroom, themed ever so slightly to the Princess and the Frog. Here, you have a frog with a crown, you have a crown, and you have two kissing frogs. And then across from the sink, here are your towel racks. You have 4 towels and 4 washcloths. Low-mounted towel hooks for your dirty towels if you wanted to reuse them. Again, mounted lower for easy accessibility. Because this room is wheelchair and mobility device accessible, you do have much wider paths in this room than you would in a standard room. There's not a big lip between the bedroom and the bathroom space, so you don't have to worry about wheeling over a very large bump. But overall, you have a lot of foot room and room to store mobility devices, scooters, wheelchairs, and whatnot. There are a few of these wheelchair accessible rooms at Disney's Port Orleans French Quarter that are also hearing accessible. In those rooms, you would have a blinking strobe light and a doorbell to let you know that somebody's at the front door if you are hearing impaired. This room is not equipped with that, but they do have 2 fire alarms in the main bedroom. So that is our tour of the Riverview bedroom with wheelchair accessibility and a bathtub at Disney's Port Orleans French Quarter. For 4 nights in the middle of March for 2 people and our annual pass holder discount, this room cost us $268 a night. If you enjoyed this hotel room walkthrough, please be sure to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to Monorail Central for more hotel room walkthroughs, Disney food reviews, and Walt Disney World Monorail project. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you all real soon.